You may have heard of centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Bittrex Global. The main difference between a centralized exchange and a decentralized one is that your cryptocurrency is under the custody of the centralized exchange, meaning you technically do not own your crypto. With a decentralized exchange, your crypto stays in your wallet and directly interacts with the blockchain to trade crypto. The crypto remains under your custody at all times. An automated market maker, or AMM, is basically a smart contract where a user can perform a trade by sending their ETH to a liquidity pool. And the AMM smart contract calculates how much of a token, for example DAI, they receive back. An AMM is essentially a new breed of decentralized exchanges that matches trades based on mathematical formulas, but it couldn't be possible without a liquidity pool. A liquidity pool is created when a liquidity provider must enter an equal amount of a pair of ERC20 tokens. So if you put in one ETH worth $400, you must also put in an equal value amount of another token like 400 DAI. The reason is threefold. First, you help reinforce the price of the token to prevent it from losing value. Second, you receive a liquidity provider token representing your ownership in the liquidity pool. And third is so that you can earn a percent on every trade. If you currently have money sitting on an exchange doing nothing, then you're missing out on earning interest. To get your crypto to work for you, you can move your crypto to the Compound platform and earn yearly interest. For example, after you buy DAI from Bittrex Global, if you deposit DAI into Compound, you'll earn 2.9% a year, way better than any traditional savings account.